The Dorman don't offer a better warranty. It's the same warranty.
Same warranty, yeah.
And they got into the cat converter business. Huh? There anything bad about it? They were like, ain't no reviews on them?
Not to my knowledge, no.
I thought it would be on the part.
Maybe on the website. Like if people buy it on the website, they leave their reviews there, but it's nothing that we can see on this side.
5-year warranty is a long time. But it's hard to replace, so you don't ever want to have to do it again. So no matter how good the warranty is. Any other name brand like WAG?
This is Magnaflow.
Magnaflow? What is that? They cheaper?
A little cheaper, yeah.
And that's for the real too?
Yeah.
So y'all for Magnaflow, you got that one in stock too?
Yeah.
Damn. Well, you got room now, so you can stock a lot of stuff in
Right,
here.
yeah, we the market. Alright, so I got the part number and pricing on there.
You got the Magnaflow, you got the Dorman. All right, let me go this side. Tell her the Magnaflow is cheaper, and you have them both in stock.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Whoa, y'all hear that? Damn, Dorman strikes again. Dorman is now in the cat converter business. Y'all, I'm at the new Advanced Auto. Y'all see that? This is a huge place, so they stock everything. None of those little other rinky-dink Advanced Auto stock these converters. Harbor Freight right down now, so I'm gonna come back and get either the Dorman or the WAC Magnaflux. But that is crazy. Dorman done got into the cat converter business. Dorman about to take over. Oh my goodness, I hate Dorman. Maybe not. I don't know. It's still up. We'll see, guys. I gotta go. Alrighty, guys. Y'all can see my current situations. I'm back. Advanced Auto. This is a new location. They got a lot of room in here, which means they can store a lot of parts. Now, guys, I'm obligated to tell you the one reason I'm here is because Dorman now makes a cat converter. Now, the converter that I need for this caravan is quite expensive from a Mopar standpoint. 3.6 Pentastar, the real bank one on a van. That converter is $1,200, guys. So what I did was get on the internet, made a few phone calls, and yes, AutoZone and Advanced Auto is one of my other go-to parts source when I can't get Mopar. Remember, I'm all about quality parts that I use. I have an image to protect, so I want to use quality parts. However, in some cases, it's not attainable. Okay, she don't have $1,200 for a converter. However, Advanced Auto sells, get this, Dorman, whoever the hell you want to call them. They now in the cat converter business, I guess. So half of that, they $500, all right? And this place happened to have one in stock. So my friend got on the internet and ordered hers, paid for it with a card. I'm just here to pick it up and get it put on. And yeah, we're going to go from there. But I'm highly impressed. Hey, what's up, man? I'm freaking highly impressed that that's the case. So let me go up here and get this part. They got a full house right now, so y'all hold tight. Ooh, look at her. She's pretty. Guess what? It's not orange.
Wait. If you could sign right here, I'm so
Man, talk about saving $500, $600, $700. Oh my goodness. Dorman, continue to impress me, guys. I'm not gonna lie. All right, they bailed me out on that. Remember that one van I had where I was doing the coolant leak, and they had not the plastic fitting. Mopar did the plastic fitting, but Dorman used I don't know if those are aluminum or brass, but yeah. And we didn't stock them, so here we are. All right, now, so you remember the problem that I have with cat converters, guys. All right, I don't care who name on it. If it's not Mopar, I'm a little suspicious because the flow rate is what matters. All right, that matters more than anything. The flow rate. Now, yeah, a cat converter has the job to do, kill those harmful emissions, hydrocarbon, carbon dioxide, even NOx. Okay, that's the job of a cat converter. However, if the flow rate is not up to specs, guys, you could have weird ass misfire codes. You could have sputtering, stuttering, and you won't think that's even a problem because it's new. Yeah, the fact that you put on a new part will lead some mechanics to believe that that part that they just put on can't be the problem because that's new. Just say, for instance, if you're chasing a misfire and you got a cat converter code. Depending on the mileage, a lot of mechanics, including me, gonna simply put in a new cat converter. Oh my goodness. See, some of that savings she should have put toward O2 sensors. All right. The savings that she got. We use a coupon code to get an additional $50 savings. So I'm going to suggest she use that savings to get at least the upstream. The one that works the hardest. Upstream O2 sensor works the hardest on any car. It does the most switching. The one in the rear is lazy as hell. Not really lazy. It don't have as hard enough job to do as this one. But the downstream just... Have you ever seen a wave pattern on a downstream O2 sensor? It goes... In the meantime, upstream... Zoom, zoom. Yeah, so I don't know if that correlates into work, but it fails the most, and I'm gonna suggest you use that. But back to my flow rate concern. If this thing don't have the proper flow rate, you could have misfire. You could have. You ever heard a car you're chasing out a misfire, you never could find it, you throwed everything in it? This happened to techs at shops, dealerships. Yeah, they look down and see a brand new, pretty cheap ass cat converter on it. That's your problem. Okay, I know it's hard to believe a cat converter can cause a misfire. Yeah, but if the flow rate is not to specs, factory specs, there's a specs to how much flow rate should go through a converter, from an OEM standpoint. So an OEM cat converter, I never have to worry about such thing. But when I'm using aftermarket cat converters such as this, I don't care who name on it. Now, Dorman got their name on this, so I'm sure they concerned with quality. They have an image to protect. They want to protect their name, all right? Nobody should be out dogging out Dorman except me. Because, that's a whole oil cooler issue. We still disputing about that. But, yeah, so if they put their name on this, they see a future in it. So I'm not going to condemn that. But I'm concerned with flow rate. Has to be at factory specs. If not, I'm going to have some problems, and I'm going to be pissed at Dorman, and I'm going to be back to my normal Dorman dogging days. All right, so Dorman, I'm going to say this. I hope you're listening. Headquarters at Dorman. Hear me out. JT the car guy. I'm counting on you. I bought this from Advanced Auto. Listen to me real good. You got one time to fail me. If you do, or when you do, your days are numbered.